This is the river walk in San Antonio, and it's quite spectacular. The details are astounding, and everywhere you look, it's pretty much delightful. These old trees are amazing, and then this river runs through the entire city, or at least this part of the city, and it's quaint and sweet and alive, and it's February, and I'm wearing capris and just a light shirt, so it's pretty amazing being out here in February and experiencing this first thing in the morning. Well, not first thing, it's kind of late, it's closer to 9, but look at this place. Definitely a destination location you must come to one day. Colorful and fun. Texas.